beach in our Boracay. Bathing suit, warm wind and rain won't make you sigh. But when you're blue and sun is out, it's hard to have any fun. Even in paradise, we can have days when we miss the sun. Yes, it rains in Boracay, even when nothing falls from the sky. Although you can see the sun, it may not be all that fun. Nothing's falling from the sky, and it's raining in Boracay. Living in the dreamscape of paradise is not always bright. Some days it's hard to understand. Yeah, you're still in the fight. Although many people come here and see it is fun in the sun, we all have days when rain's falling, even when there is none. Though I'm glad most days are under a very blue sky, there are also rainy days in our tropical island, Boracay. Yes, it rains in Boracay, even when nothing falls from the sky. Although you can see the sun, it may not be all that fun. Nothing's falling from the sky, it is raining in Boracay. What many people don't see who visit and do not stay. Living here is not just fun in the sun every single day. It's hard to understand, it could not be fun under deep blue sky. That's because there are many days when it does rain in Boracay. And yes, some days the rain falls and it gets you very wet. Other days it's dark inside and brings the same feeling, yeah. Yes, it rains in Boracay, even when nothing falls from the sky. Although you can see the sun, it may not be all that fun. Nothing's falling from the sky, it is raining in Boracay. So Boracay. So if you see me sitting and looking out past the by and by, it might